Ancient history. The Battle of Megiddo, Pharaoh Thutmose III's first great victory in 1457 BC. The young Pharaoh Thutmose III of Egypt faced a powerful coalition of Canaanite kings led by the ruler of Kadesh. The battleground would be the city of Megiddo, a place so strategically important that whoever held it controlled the trade routes of the ancient Near East. Thutmose could take the long, safe road with his army, but he chose the narrow, dangerous pass through Aruna. It was a bold gamble. If the enemy blocked it, his forces would be trapped. The Egyptian chariots sped through the pass, emerging before the coalition could react. Surprised and disorganized, the Canaanite forces tried to regroup, but the disciplined Egyptian troops smashed through their lines. The enemy fled behind Megiddo's walls, leaving behind their chariots, weapons, and treasures. Thutmose laid siege for 7 long months until the starving defenders finally surrendered. The victory at Megiddo not only secured Egypt's dominance, but also became one of the earliest battles recorded in detailed historical accounts. It proved that bold strategy can turn the tide of history. The end history remembers the bold.